Hey everyone! Before you start any workshop project, let's talk safety. Never hold the workpiece with your hands. Always use a clamp. And when working with rotating tools like drills or lathes, no gloves. When cutting with an angle grinder, make sure the piece is clamped, and always hold the grinder with both hands. Don't forget safety glasses and ear protection. These are super important. When cutting long profiles with a grinder, make sure the profile is positioned correctly. So that as you continue cutting, the gap opens wider. If the grinder gets stuck, the disc can break, and trust me, that's really dangerous. Stay safe and enjoy building.